Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A54s, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint a couple of minutes ago here, and now as you can see, I'll make a couple of tries to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the fingerprint scanner works here really fast, and I just do this with a simple touch. So I'm just don't press the button here, I just simply touch it. You can just see that. So as can you see, that works good and so fast. That's the good result for the fingerprint scanner. So I suggest you to try this. Unlock method, for example, if you don't like some unlock methods like the passcodes or pin codes, you can try the fingerprint, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than just passcode, pin code, or pattern. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.